Alright, so I'm gonna start this video aiming at my door because it is pouring outside. I'm so over Oregon right now. Anyways, Rudy's here. We're gonna go pick my car up today. I got my Hero 5 back. If you guys have been watching my channel since day one, this was my original camera that I started filming with. I sold it to a buddy, and then I ended up just buying it back from him because he didn't need it, and I was like, well shit, I'll buy it back from you. So I'm gonna get to the car real quick. Ah fuck, don't. Ah shit, it is fucking pouring. Oh shit. Oh, so we gotta wait for Reed. Because Reed's coming with us. But he's at 7-Eleven, I think. Oh, look! There's Reed! Look at that. Look how far back he's from that Camry.
Oh, I know.
He's like, I'm doing it.
The boy got it measured out.
We're gonna have another. You remember that meme of the 300ZX that drifted right here and crashed? He's like, oh.
As long as you don't hit the IS.
He gonna hit the IS. Hey,
pop clutch
you might wanna stay back a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh no, yeah. Come on, Christopher.
Christopher Reed James.
That's the widest name I've ever heard.
That's the best drifter you've ever heard.
Shouldn't have any issues with it sucking down with only around 10 pounds like you are.
Yeah.
If you do, you might have to put a reinforcement around it, spring around it. If I was you, I would cut this down a little bit more, try to get it off this so it doesn't wear through.
Okay.
Yeah. Back and forth on off throttle. Mouse over here now. Close to the right side.
Sweet.
And then the face is also on that side. Go on top and down to the front bumper. So everything lines up pretty well. You might want to put a little pressure in right now. Pretty dialed in. Definitely good. Idle, so you're good. Base timing set, so don't push it back. You need to switch your coilover around. So the serial cable you can wire in, and basically you need to run 2 wires, you need to buy a serial port.
For the AFR?
For their AM. You should have one somewhere. Chuck gave you one.
I
Because
believe
I
so.
logged in and Link ECU the same way.
Right.
So the blue wire right there that's stripped open,
Yeah.
that's a wire. So that wire and then a ground wire goes to the serial port. The serial port goes to a USB adapter plugged into the laptop so you can data. I would recommend you getting that as soon as possible because you can plug that in to the USB cable from the NISTUNE and just drive around and it fills in the map for you. So it tells you all your AFR stuff like that, and then you can send that to me and I can fine tune it and make it better.
Okay.
Because I know you're a little bit rich up top because I didn't do full wide open throttle pulls. I didn't run it all the way to boost because you're not broke in all the way. So I'm sure that when you get into boost, you're going to be 10 flat, and 10 flat, you're going to be pig rich. So just want you to make sure. I'd rather be rich than timing should be pretty much dialed. It's the same timing map I ran on K for a year and a half. Having detonation issues, so you should be dialed with that. So basically, it's going to be fine tuning fuel. It's like 12.5 at startup for cold start. Once it warms up, it idles right around 14.7, so you can run fuel. That means that if you end up really starting to beat the shit out of it, raising it up just because the birth rate is, or but when you're driving, when you're in the bush, when that's 13, when you're on track, you sound and stuff like that, it has one to do.
So this is what a broken car looks like.
Well, look at my car with a missing fucking
Actually,
side skirt. And
it should run pretty good. I mean, from what Billy has been talking about. And yeah, we're gonna start it up, get her out of here. I'm gonna pay the man. I got a few more questions I got to go through. I got to ask about this because I want to see if he's got the what's it called? The I want to fix this. This was temporary, so I want to fix that. I think that's really about it. I got to do a bunch of other stuff to the car, which I'll do later this week, maybe this week. We'll see. If it's gonna rain all week, no, because it's not stuff that's like 100% that needs to get done, you know. So, or like it's not super important. It's just, it is what it is. I don't know, but I can't wait to drive it. I'm so stoked, dude.
the wrong way. How much would you charge to my run?
So I still got to break in the motor a little bit, I guess. This is more like, I mean, recommendations, but Billy obviously knows way more than I do, and I'm super stoked for him and everybody here at Peaks Innovation for you know, taking on this job, because it was a slight nightmare, but they got all of it pretty much squared away. A few little things that I can take care of, but yeah. So right now it's just going to be just normal driving. We'll probably do a little bit of fun stuff here and there, but that's about it. No intense like track days, at least until I get like a full oil change through it. You know, like a good 2,000-3,000 mile oil change. So yeah, I'm fucking stoked, dude. I'm so stoked. Dude, this GoPro feels and it probably looks ridiculous, huh?
Bro, it looks sick.
Does it? I wonder how the GoPro is gonna look. You guys, this is a test with the GoPro too, because I don't know how it's gonna look. Out of my BMW is weird because it, like, I sat really high, but in the 240 I sit low, so we'll see if it works out better. Woo, buddy! We back in the 40, we driving. I still gotta baby it, man. This thing is fucking fast, dude. Like, bro. Look at that. Reed and I are cruising together. Yeah, and the homies. back yet. Yo, this thing fucking rips potato chips. Sup? I got it back. She runs good. But yeah, so this thing runs tits. Fucking good God. But yeah, this thing runs good. I mean, it didn't die on the way here, so, but I think the idle air control is going out because it will drop, but then just come right back up. And I think that has to do with the tune, you know, fucking with timing to like keep it, but I don't know. That's something I can ask Billy later on. I'm gonna focus on getting the other stuff done. I'm gonna end this video here, just cause I got the car back now. The next few things is I'm just gonna kind of work on it, which I'm not really gonna film. I'm gonna replace the cluster, fix the mirror, and get the thing that Billy was talking about installed, and then fuck with my coilovers and do a few other things. But dude, she rips, doesn't she? She's fucking, dude, she feels fast, bro. She fucking...
Did you go to the school?
No.
Why not?
I'm not gonna slide it yet.
You can give it a little...
I'm not gonna fucking do shit until fucking I break it in a little more.
Bro, you were just basically sliding it on the freeway.
Yeah, bro, you're...
By giving it the
if
sauce.
you can smash like that on the freeway,
You can slide... You can,
wide open throttle, you can fucking go...
I wasn't...
5 seconds
Well,
with it.
I was only wide open throttle on those couple
But you
poles.
did.
But I... Only a little bit.
only a little bit sideways.
Dude, you're a boosted car and it's wet out. It's not gonna take you much to fucking
Well,
slide.
Look at that. I dried up the street for you.
We'll see. Maybe we'll give her... Go give her a little...
All right, camera boy. This
little-
is the end of the shoot.
No, not yet.
Are those drips from you?
No, that was already there.
That's from my fucking Honda Civic, bro.
Yeah, for real. So I gotta daily this thing for a while.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Noise.
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 Fucking gnarly heading.
Noise.
Fuck it, Rudy, let's go.
Let's go for a spin.
Yeah, let's go for a spin. Let's do it. You can get in on the other side. Let me just move my phone, my camera. What the fuck?
Bro, this thing rips.
Yeah, it does.
Rips.
I know it does. We'll end the video with one good sound. We'll do a little bit of a little skirt in the little skirt, a little skirt, little skirt in the scoos.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, buddy. Dude, she feels way better than she did before.
No nothing.
No, nothing, man. Butter. I know they're like doing shit over here. I want to see. I don't see any fucking. Oh yeah, buddy, dude. Dude, it feels good, doesn't it? It slides so nice. I went full walk right there too. Boop, 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 boop.
Beautiful.
Oh yeah, buddy. Ah. See, the brakes didn't work because I was pressing them and it wasn't slowing, dude. I got to get that fixed like ASAP. All right, one more good little send, and oh, dude, she's so butter.